ETAP versus EPLAN 2025. Which electrical design software is best? Designing electrical systems in 2025 requires precise software, and ETAP and EPLAN are two heavyweights. But which one should you choose? ETAP specializes in power system analysis, load flow, short-circuit studies and simulation. Most people get this wrong. They think it's just for engineers doing calculations, but ETAP also includes real-time monitoring and predictive analytics for smart grids. You won't believe what happens next. It can integrate with SCADA systems, giving a complete picture of electrical performance. EPLAN, on the other hand, excels in schematic design, control systems and panel layouts. It's ideal for detailed documentation and project planning, offering automated reports and parts lists. Unlike ETAP, EPLAN focuses on design efficiency rather than real-time simulation. Pricing and use cases differ. ETAP is more expensive and suited for energy companies, industrial plants, and engineers handling complex simulations. EPLAN is cost-effective for electrical designers, OEMs, and panel builders seeking accuracy and automation. So, which is best? For power system analysis and predictive modeling, ETAP wins. For schematic design, documentation, and control systems, EPLAN is the smarter choice. The surprising truth is that best electrical software depends on your project goals. Simulation versus design, and picking the right tool can save time, reduce errors, and improve overall project efficiency.